Hey, what's going on? Welcome to this very simple video, which is probably extremely sought after. And that's how to build muscle. Okay. You're new to the gym, you're entering the gym, everything is new and exciting. Maybe it's scary, maybe it's not. And you're wondering, how do I actually build muscle? What do I do? What exercises should I do? I see a lot of guys getting really caught up with supplements and this and that. And to that, I say, don't worry about anything. You're a newbie, you get into the gym, you lift weight, you go home, you get some good food, good sleep, and you're going to grow. Drink plenty of water. Just train in the gym hard. I don't care what you do. Just pick up some weights, do some machines. Machines are self explanatory. And just move the weight. Feel the muscle, feel the contraction, feel everything. Don't lift with your ego and feel the weight. Try to get rep ranges of 8 to 12, depending on what you're doing. And then once you get some bigger muscles and you get more used to the gym and your body is changing, then we can move on to phase 2, which is different kinds of exercises: squats, deadlifts, bench, overhead press, military press, and go even more advanced from there. So until we get to that point, forget all the fancy stuff, forget all the crazy stuff. You have the easiest job right now that you will ever have in your lifting career. Just go to the gym, lift some weights, do some machines. Hey, you're easy. You got a chest day, go to the gym, do 4 chest exercises. It could be bench press, incline bench press, cable flies, and push-ups. Okay, very simple. You go in, you do your bench press, you do 3 to 4 sets of let's say 8 to 12, and the last set can be a little bit heavier. And then the next week after that, you add 5 to 10 pounds. The next week after that, you add 2.5, 5, or 10 pounds. The next week after that, you add some more weight. And whatever you feel comfortable to hit that rep range of 8 to 12. And if you go to 6, cool. That means you're doing a little bit of a heavier weight and you're fine. That's absolutely perfect. You follow this regimen, you're going to grow. You're going to get bigger, eat more food, eat your protein, get adequate amount of protein and adequate amount of water, and sleep and rest. You'll be fine. You're going to grow. Very easy. Don't worry about anything else. Everything else will come later, and we can talk about that after. Do this for a year and come back to me.